So hi, this is Sayaka Charji. Welcome to Wealthy Waste Family. So today we are here with some of the ideas which you can implement in your day-to-day life for the protection of the environment. Please do not repeat the mistakes which you have done in the past year, the past or what from the decades what the mistakes you have done or even the mistakes which you have repeated today also. बहुत हो गया है अब कुछ करना है. Now we have to do something very seriously for the nature because nature is taking a very bad revenge, and the result is in front of you. 2020, whatever the pandemic is going on, whatever the disasters are happening around, these are the clear indication that nature is taking its revenge. Even you have seen the proof that after the lockdown, especially in India, you can see the many of the ranges of Himalaya from Jalandhar and from the various cities you have seen. So these are some of the indication nature is giving that protect the environment, save the environment. So we have to take lessons from these small indication what nature is giving to us. And still if we are not doing so, then we are going to be in very big problem in the future. So without any wasting the time, I would like to show you the products which we have launched past 1 year. And even if you are not knowing about the products, what are the products or what actually they are and how it is used or how you can dispose it, then today I am here with you with all the products. So this is basically, you can see, this is paper pen. This is planted paper pen. Why it is named as planted paper pen? Actually it is fully known as biodegradable planted paper, recycled paper pen. So why this so big name has been given? Because this pen is basically made up of recycled papers. There is no use of polymer, no use of single plastic. Recycled papers are used to make it. This is quite strong enough. If you are thinking that it will break or it will bend, so it is not, so that it is quite strong enough. You can see the demo. And even there has been seeds attached at the end of this pen, which is useful. After you throw this, after using, if you throw it to the ground, it will it will degrade with the soil. This full pen will degrade with the soil, and these seeds will convert into very beautiful saplings. Even you can break these seeds. It's very strong. You can see, just see this. You can break, take the cover out from the pen, or you can break it. This is basically not a plastic. This is a capsule, medicine capsule, which has been used to attach it. Because when this capsule is mixed with the soil, coming in the contact of water, it will melt totally without harming a single thing. And the seeds, you can see the seeds, you can see the seeds over here, which you can plant, which you can beautifully plant in your house, or you can use as a kitchen gardening. There are many various seeds has been given over here. Variety of seeds has been given to you. So whatever the seeds are, tomato or spinach or sesame, there are various seeds. You can go and purchase from the nearest shop if you are living in Kolkata, New Town. And if you are not, you can order it online via direct contacting Team Wealthy Waste. Even another beautiful stuffs, that is paper pen, recycled paper pen, sorry, recycled paper pencil, extremely sorry, recycled paper pencil. This is also made out of recycled papers with no use of wood. And eventually and very thankfully, our team who has designed it, if you use once, you will see the difference between this pencil and the Natraj or any other company pencils. That this is more strong enough and it won't break. This is more strong enough. See, now I am sharpening it and it won't break. This pencil won't break even the lid, and there won't you will won't find any. See, it won't break and you will not find any crack or damage. As you can see in other pencils, it eventually happens. So this is a very good thing, and all the stuffs which you are getting after sharpening, all the bad stuffs, these are our paper which you can easily, actually we are using recycled paper. So the basic advantage is there is minimization of trees, cutting down of trees. That is a very beautiful thing Team Wealthy West has came up. And the next thing is wheat straw. You can see the wheat straw in my hand. This is basically a leftover of the wheats. When you cut down the wheat crops, whatever the leftovers are, you can form that in form of straws. And the very good thing is it is useful also, very very useful. And it is easily, you can break that straw like this and you can throw it anywhere and it won't harm the nature, as like plastic straws are using harm to the nature, to the environment, even to the aquatic lives. So one more product I want to show you, that is sugarcane leftover plate. This is basically you can make out from sugarcane leftovers, or even with the banana leftover or coconut leftovers. So you can make it out. And not only this, containers are also being made in Wealthy Ways, and recently we have been patched up with many of the ventures of Kolkata who deliver foods via Zomato and other delivery or Swiggy. And the very good thing is that we have replaced the plastic containers in which you are getting food with the biodegradable containers. Like Kabuli wala good venture is there, that they are using this all kind of stuffs for promoting the save environment quotation. And the same way I would like to thank you, all of you, for supporting Team Wealthy Waste. And I would like, whatever the products you have seen now, it will be very useful for you to choice whether you will go for the old plastic ones or you will seriously change with the new biodegradable things, stuffs. So with this note, goodbye. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, save environment. Thank you.